Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HJLI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and just gigantic volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one moving into next week, and it's definitely a very is the chart over? Is everything, is the move done? Is this thing just now rolling over and crashing? I'm not going to quite go that far and say that the chart's ruined and chart is done. I will say that, yes, things are looking pretty shaky after the afternoon here has played out. But the one level that I'm very curious about from the overall technical perspective is this area down here at the $10 mark. Why is $10 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down to 10 and then just break down below there, what would that be doing to the price all of a sudden? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength. Or I mean, said another way, that would imply if that occurs, then that's another way of saying the price absolutely exploded to then go right back to where it was. I mean, that's basically a pump and dump right now. I'm not saying the company itself is a pump and dump being run out of a bunker in North Korea. I am talking about strictly from a price behavior standpoint. And that's what, to me, kind of $10 is representing. That's more so the pump and dump level. But to be fair, because no price can go straight up, maybe it comes down here, behaves in that manner, and starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows down here. And if you envision those as stair steps, then yeah, now you got some stair steps showing some signs in the upward direction, showing some progress, and that's what it's all about. Now, of course, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, yeah, you don't really care about those stair steps, but the stair step comments are being geared towards more so those people that care about more so the bigger picture point of view. But yeah, I mean, if the price just now blasts down through $10, at that point, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it started, which would pretty much, complete the pump and dump sequence there. So yeah, it'll be very interesting to see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.